Russia's former president Dmitry Medvedev has unleashed one of his starkest warnings to the West, mocking NATO's new Eastern Sentry mission and vowing that any attempt to enforce a no-fly zone over Ukraine or seize Russian assets would trigger direct conflict. The deputy head of Russia's Security Council issued the threat on Telegram as NATO prepared new air defense measures following a series of Russian drone incursions into Poland.
The powerful European initiative Eastern Sentry amused me. But seriously, the implementation of the provocative idea of creating a no-fly zone over Ukraine and the ability for NATO countries to shoot down our UAVs will mean only one thing: a war between NATO and Russia.
His warning followed Polish Foreign Minister Radosław Sikorski's renewed push for a NATO-enforced no-fly zone after Russian drones violated Polish airspace on September 10th. Ukraine's presidential office echoed the call, arguing that such protection would shield both Ukraine and neighboring allies.
Regarding the theft of Russian property in the form of a so-called loan to Ukraine secured by Russian assets, an idea being nurtured by various miscreants from Brussels and EU countries, should this come to pass, Russia will pursue these Euro degenerates until the end of time. We will do so in all possible international and national courts, and, in certain cases, even by extrajudicial means.
NATO has announced Operation Eastern Sentry, a multi-domain mission deploying extra air defense assets across Poland, Romania, and the Baltics to counter the growing threat. Meanwhile, Russia and Belarus are conducting Zapad 2025 war games near NATO's borders, practicing nuclear deployment scenarios and testing new missile systems. Medvedev's threats underscore the escalating stakes as both sides harden their positions and the risk of a direct Russia-NATO clash looms larger than ever.